Hello. I wanted to point out a few things. I don't know if you just stopped working on these or you don't see them. I've mentioned this two or three times. I really don't understand what's happening here. It looks like there's sort of a growth coming out of the eye. There's no finger attached to it. It's just like a dark matchstick or something. Is it supposed to be a makeup wand? Wouldn't it be going the other way if it was, like going on her eyelid? And shouldn't a finger hold it? So I really don't understand what that's supposed to be. And then the lashes aren't drawn very carefully, and the whole piece is just not stylized enough so that you could get away with that. So if you wanted a looser look, then I would put a brush on the line art. We did that in one of the assignments, so you should know how to do it. And then also, the face is sort of cute here. The lip kind of goes in at a weird angle. I do like the eyebrow, but the side of the ear is a mess. It looks like, it was eaten or something. You got to get in there with the pen and smooth that out. And these extra lines in the hand just make her look older. And then you really need to look at reference to see how fingers really end. Like, I want to see the fingertip, etc. Finally, like I've said before, this is just too much content. It's hard to read. Plus, you've got it distorted. You have to hold down the shift key when scaling so that doesn't happen. I do like this decorative font, but it's not strong enough to hold interest for all of this content. So cut the content in half, edit it, and then see if you can find a heavier font that'll help anchor the piece and tell the viewer that's where they should start. All right, let me know if you have any questions.